What about the takeoff?
Rockport traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo, departing runway 36. We're going to be doing a left turn out towards the bay. Okay, we turn on these buttons now. I forgot to tell everybody.
All right. I can hear clear?
Yeah, all right.
Yep.
Okay, so just start easing back on the yoke now. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. You're flying.
Oh, we're up.
We're up. So, you pretty well took off.
Alright.
Now while we're down low, I'm going to take you so you can do some photo runs, and I'm going to take it from there. Okay. When we start going back and we're got altitude, then I'll give it to you to fly more, okay?
Yeah,
I wanted you to take off.
Yeah.
So at this point, we're going to come over here. Rockport traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo. We're going to be going down the beach side, intercoastal waterway, for a little photo op. From the northeast to the southwest. So, it'll make a little turn. We went off the other way. So, so there's the runway.
Okay.
We just came up in that way. So let me show you where we're going. So that's where we landed, and where we took off that way, of course.
Okay.
So now we're going to go to Charlotte Plumbers. It'll be a little quicker than the drive down there.
Okay.
Okay, so that's Charlotte Plumbers right there.
Okay. That was a lot quicker.
See it over there?
Yeah, I see. Nice. Wow. We were just there.
Yep. I did get these both turned on, hopefully. Yeah. There got Davion and Courtney in here.
Flying high.
Look at these beautiful homes over here.
Oh, wow.
So you can just take pictures. At this point, you guys are just looking for the tour, taking pictures and enjoying that, and then once we get up, I'll let you fly it in.
That's cool.
You got to be super aware when you're down low like this for anything else that's going around.
That is beautiful. Okay, it's like green.
Well, it depends on which way you look,
Yeah.
You know, which way the sun
it
is.
looks really blue over there, but I see like it's really green.
Well,
Optical
again,
illusion.
if I turned around, it would be blue.
Yeah.
Because of the sun angle.
Okay. Nice. So we got the props and things up already?
Yeah, the gear came up as soon as we left the ground over there.
Does it do it automatically, or you had to
No,
pull
I pulled it up and pulled them up here.
Okay.
At this point, I'm just kind of watching things. Slow us down a little bit.
Little island.
So this is Mustang Beach.
Mustang Beach.
So if you can see over there, that's Corpus. See the buildings off in the distance over there? That's Corpus.
Okay.
You see back, you see it goes over to here.
Nice.
Tune destination CTAF. Mustang Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo. We're about 9 miles inbound. We're going to be going down the channel and then flying down the beach towards the south.
Wow.
The south.
Third is south,
Mustang Beach traffic, King Air 7 Gulf Alpha, departing runway 30, please. Straight out.
King Air 46 Bravo, we're about 800 feet and we're not in your way anywhere. We're going to be heading over down the little channel over here.
I've got you on the box already.
We got you. Just turned and he's on the ground over there and he's about to see him come out of here. It takes about 30 minutes, 35 minutes to drive over here, and
like 2 minutes.
2 minutes to fly, you know. So this is the airport, and there's a channel, and you can see some beautiful hotels and stuff over here.
Wow. Scoopers to bring air in right here?
Yeah, when you're on the ground.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
These can be opened, like if you have to pull on them, they can be opened from here, but you got to be careful, don't put your phone too close to it. I'd use it to take out of.
Okay. Alright.
If you put too much arm out there, you could break it off,
Yeah,
because
I see the
it's 150 something miles an hour wind.
Yeah.
Well, I have a friend that goes to college out here for marine biology, so I see why it's perfect.
Isn't that beautiful?
Nice home right there.
I have but grad.
They live on a peninsula. Wow.
Yes.
Cool. This is an island here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is an island out here, Mustang Beach.
Yeah.
Aransas Pass, the city is Aransas Pass over here. It's not Aransas County. Mustang Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo. We're heading towards the bay down the channel and then going up the beach down south.
There's no handle for me to grab one.
What do you need to grab? Your butt is still in the planet firmly. Yep.
Oh, this is nice.
Baseball.
Wow, this is nice.
Look at the marina over here and the hotel.
Oh, wow.
So if you want to take a picture, I'm going to put that down on that side, so get ready. Ready? Here it comes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I gotta turn live on. I can't get a straight one.
Cool.
How gorgeous is that?
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Look at those.
Amazing.
Nice.
I call you out upon the water. Ocean.
Mustang Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo. We're now out about 500 feet off the beach and going down the beach at about 500 feet.
Wow.
About 2.6 miles from the airport. So you can see the little airport up here. See the hangars over there on the side?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait. Do I?
That's over here. Up in front.
Okay, right there.
See back there.
Okay, I think I see it now. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Robinstown en route to Mustang Beach, Port Aransas. Like transition here.
Mustang Beach. Wow, this is really nice.
Hold on just a second. Mustang Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo. We're passing on the ocean side at the end of the runway, 500 feet to the south, 46 Bravo.
More mansions, maybe?
Oh, there's all kinds of nice
Beach houses,
places.
I guess.
Yeah, that's a marina right next to the airport.
I didn't know this existed. I thought it was just like South Padre and Galveston Bay.
This is a good long island here, and it goes down to the Naval Air Station down there. Can't go too far down because, like I said, it's Naval Air Station.
Yeah, I was gonna say, are there really like no-fly zones?
There are down there. You have to get permission to get into it.
Okay.
You right there, that ring right there?
Okay.
You don't go in that without
Not going
permission.
Makes sense.
Look at these things.
That's nice. Looks like a park, man. I don't know.
Beach houses.
Yeah.
Mustang
cool.
Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo, crossing over to that island on the opposite the on the bay side.
Like,
What?
little pools of water. Oh, this thing back here got a short.
Wonder what's on this little island over there. Look at that.
A little thing right there?
Yeah, I have no idea what that is.
Looks like a little
Looks like they built them
silo.
something out there too, over on this side.
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh! Why are we not seeing straight? Oh my god!
Nice.
Mustang Beach traffic, Arrow 8446 Bravo, heading back towards the northeast on the bay side. About 2 miles
This water.
from the airport, Mustang Beach. Okay, so now look up ahead. See where it shows blue?
Yep.
Same water, just to where how the sun is going.
Yeah, I see. Nice.
See that hotel over there? That's at the end of the runway, just to the right. When you take off down this, you kind of climb up just to the left side of that hotel.
Okay.
Well, you got a tour of Mustang Beach, where all the people are anyway.
Never really knew about this area.
Pass, yeah. These are gorgeous homes in there. You take a boat right up to your house and then get off the airport and get on your plane and take off.
That's living large. Oh, I see. Okay.
That direction will take a pretty picture if you want a picture. Better be quick because it's going to come quick. Mustang Beach traffic, we're passing the end of the airport on the north side.
Fantastic.
Mustang Beach traffic, 08446 Bravo, climbing out, returning to the northeast out of the area. Okay, so let's go here. KTME. Just let it climb out for a while. Activate. Okay, so it's gonna do its thing, and we're gonna let it.
Get us on the purple line.
Yep. And climb up to altitude, and once we get up there, I'll let you have it. Got somebody that's over here down close to 1,000 feet below us at KRKP. That's Rockport, where it came from.
Okay.
Came from there, came down here, went around and came back.
So which one? The big hand is actual. That's like a 2,000. No.
Coming up on 2,000.
Okay, and the small hand is-
100s.
Okay.
Fish traffic 100, actually take us 7 miles to the north inbound for 31, Bishop.
Skydive Houston, jump plane 14 Alpha, canopies open 5,000 below, Skydive Houston.
We're getting Houston from out here.
Wow.
150 miles away. So we're just gonna climb up towards Cool, and once we can get a little bit more leveled off, get away from this traffic here. To nearest approach. Shoot, I was on the wrong one. To nearest approach.